Warning: this video may be disturbing for some viewers. Viewers' discretion is advised. Do not try this at home. Valid tones may be active. Please forgive us if we may have miscommunication with the EAS tones. Viewer discretion is advised. Link in the description for original video. Chunk, why did you press pause on my video? We're gonna watch Rick and Morty here. Sorry, you're gonna have to watch it in your room. Our room is a mess. Whatever, just get out of here. Okay. Wolfie!
What's up?
Oh gosh, Wolfie the Titan. Wolfie, remove him out of this property. You can't do that, you know how it's Oh, crud. Nice job, Wolfie.
You're welcome.
15 minutes later. This is an amazing show. Why you never told me about this earlier?
You're gonna have to do me a real solid. When we get to customs, I'm gonna need you to take these seeds into the bathroom, and I'm gonna need you to put them away.
What is this, Wolfie? What the? Wolfie, what is this?
Nope, you'll regret it. Nope. I fell again. It's an EAS. Yeah, this is a bad mistake for you. Look away.
No.
Look away.
I need to look carefully.
No!
What? Moon?
If you need me, I'll be in the bathroom.
The county weather has issued a warning for the meteorological event. This warning is expected immediately and continues until sunrise tomorrow morning.
If you need me, I'll be in
Weather
the bathroom with Coke.
Citizens are advised not to observe this event with the naked eye. But my eyes are filled with clothes. Dude, help me out. I don't know what to do. Local 58. What's Local 58? 215. What the dude, help me out. Dude, I need help. I'm shaking. Use a flamethrower? I don't have one. Lifted. Okay, does that mean it's over? Does it mean go outside now? Does it mean it's over? Okay, new screen just appeared. Help me out. What is it? Dude, I don't want this to happen. What is this, the end of the world? Dude, help me out. Dude, I'm shaking. Help me out. What? Can you read this?
What do you want?
It's an all clear. What does that mean?
That means don't go outside still.
What do you mean? Don't look outside as well. I
Don't.
drown in him.
Don't.
What is it? What? Dude, help me out!
No!
Donald Trump, what are you doing?
It's not Donald Trump.
Can you read this? Look at the moon? Oh, do not look at the moon. Stay inside, don't look at the night sky. Dude, what? What do we do? Face away from all windows. Avoid mirrors. Do not look up. X tentacion. What's going on? Okay, turn off the lights. Turn off the lights, dude. Turn off the lights. Oh, wait, no. I think I'm not supposed to look at you, dude. What? What the heck? What the heck, dude? What do we do? English, mother. What? Dude, help! CCC? Stay calm. I'm freaking out. Wolfie? Wolfie? What the fudge? Okay, you know what? I'm done. What the heck? Dude! Oh, I hear something moaning. Why does it look like a frog now? Wolfie? Oh my god. I think it's over. Oh god, Wolfie's dead. If you are afraid, we will look. Wait, what? We will look together. What the heck? Oh my god. I'm on my way. Whoa. Oh my god. Okay, look away from. What the?
I come to seize your bread!
You come to seize my what?
Your bread.